If you're looking for a simple way to get started with DaVinci Resolve Studio 20, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic workflow step by step, so you can open the software, create a new project, import your media, build your timeline, and prepare your final export with confidence. Whether you're brand new to video editing or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get comfortable using DaVinci Resolve 20. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. First, let's launch the program. Click the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop or open it from the Applications folder if you're on a Mac. Once the software opens, you'll see the Project Manager window. This is where all of your projects are organized, and it's the best place to keep everything separated and easy to find. Now click New Project. This is the first major step because every edit starts with a project file. Type in a clear name for your session so you can identify it later, especially if you're working on multiple videos. After entering the name, confirm it and let the project load. Creating a new project file is important because it stores your timeline, media references, edits, and settings in one organized place. Next, we need to bring in your footage. At the bottom of the interface, click the Media page icon. The Media page is your import and browsing workspace, and it's designed to help you locate video and audio files on your drives before you begin editing. On this page, you'll use the Media Storage browser to find the files you want to work with. Once you've located your source files, drag the video and audio clips from the Media Storage browser into the Media pool. The Media pool is where your imported files live inside the project, and once they're here, they become available to use on all the different pages in DaVinci Resolve. This step is important because it keeps your media organized and ready for editing without affecting the original files on your computer. Now that your media is imported, click the Edit page icon to move into the main editing workspace. The Edit page is where the standard nonlinear editing happens. This is where you trim clips, arrange them in order, add transitions, and layer audio or video elements together to build your full project. To start your sequence, drag a clip from the media pool onto the empty timeline area. As soon as you place the first clip, DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a new timeline for you. It will also match the timeline resolution and frame rate to the source media, which makes setup fast and helps keep your project consistent from the beginning. From here, you can continue adding more clips, rearranging them, and building out your edit one section at a time. As you get more comfortable, you can explore trimming, splitting, and adjusting your clips on the timeline. But for now, the important thing is understanding the basic flow. Open the app, create a project, import media, move to the edit page, and build your timeline from there. That core workflow is the foundation of almost everything you'll do in DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. When your edit is ready, click the Deliver page icon. This is the final stage of the process, and it's where you prepare your video for export. The Deliver page includes rendering presets, format options, and codec settings that let you choose exactly how your finished project will be saved. From here, you can set your output preferences and render the final video file once you're ready. And that's the basic process for using DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. You've now learned how to launch the software, create a new project, import your media, start editing on the timeline, and move to the export stage. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.